the last 13 presidents, Democrats have dominated doing better in the market. Democratic presidents have given us better returns. Now, me personally, I'm not saying vote Democratic. I'm not saying vote Republican. All I'm saying is, as investors in the game, and I'm going to break some numbers down for y'all. As investors in the game, for me, it's not so much as about who wins the election. For me, it's about being able to pivot no matter who wins the election. Let's say that again. Let's say that again. For me, I'm not so much focused on who wins the election. I'm more focused on where do I pivot when whoever wins the election. The wealth game will scare a lot of people. You either get with the game or you get crushed by those who are playing the game. You feel me? So most people made a big deal about Donald Trump paying $750 in taxes. Okay, understandable. Jeff Bezos paid no taxes for 2 years, where he profited 17 billion and 11 billion, but he got an incentive for the government for like 200 and something million. So I ask you, who's playing the game and who's not? You feel me? Who's playing the game and who's not? The only people who get upset about that type of things is the people not playing the game. My message to you is to learn how to play the game. You feel me? So let's go through some things right quick. Right? Let's go through some things right quick. So, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 presidents in their performance. I'll give you 8 presidents in their performance. The president so far and we're not counting Donald Trump yet because his term isn't over, I guess, all right? Let's say it like that. From 93 to 2001, the S&P 500 returned 210% under William J. Clinton. Let's talk about that. Under William J. Clinton, from 93 to 2001, the S&P got a return of 210%. Let's give a red cup for Bill, man. Let's give a red cup for William. Let's give a red cup for William. Let's give a red cup for William. Because that tells us that William knew how to make the trap jump. Let's give a red cup to William. You feel me? Let's give a red cup. Man, shout out to William. Shout out to William. AKA Bill. Let's shout out to Bill. You feel me? Let's give Bill his due. Let's give Bill his due. Right? So, I ain't want to throw her in this, right? But let's give I'll agree with you 100% on that. But we talking about the stock market. I 100% agree with you on that. He's the reason, right? People say Monica too, but I ain't want to throw her in it. But shout out to Monica, man. You hear me? Next, shout out to Barack. Barack gave us, from 2009 to 2017, Barack gave us 182% in the market rate of return to S&P 500. Shout out to Barack, man. Shout out to Yes We Can. Shout out to Yes We Can, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Yes We Can, man. You did. Shout out to Yes We Can, man. Shout out to Yes We Can, man. Right? Now, this was before my time. Dwight Eisenhower gave us 129% rate of return on the S&P, 109% return on the S&P from 1953 to 1961. Shout out to good old DE. You hear me? Shout out to DE, right? Shout out to Dwight. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Dwight for knowing how to make the trap jump. And you got to think about this too. You talking about from 53 to 61, right? So, things wasn't all peaches and cream. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ike. You already know. Yeah, yeah, I already know. I ain't know y'all knew though. Shout out to old Ike, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ike, man, because he know how to get it in. You know what I'm saying? He knew how to make the trap jump. Now, we about to throw one up there now. Shout out to Reaganomics. From 81 to 89, he gave us 117% rate of return. Shout out to Reaganomics. Shout out to Reaganomics. Shout out to Cocaine Cowboy Reagan, man. Yeah. Shout out to Cocaine Cowboy Reagan, man. You know what I'm saying? So Reagan gave us a rate of return of 117% rate of return, man. Shout out to Reagan for that. I ain't like the war on drugs thing. That was a bad time, but I already knew where I was at, and you know what I'm saying? I already know what's going on. Yeah, shout out to Reagan. That's why I said shout out to Reaganomics, man. You know what I'm saying? War on drugs was a catastrophe. You know what I'm saying? All right, so then we had Truman. Gave us an 87% rate of return. I ain't really know too much about Truman. I ain't really know too much about Truman. I ain't really know too much about Truman. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't really my thing right there with Truman. Wasn't really my thing right there with Truman. Right? Wasn't really my thing right there with Truman. All right, so now, next, let's go to good old George. Papa George. Papa George gives us from 89 to 93, he gave us a 51% rate of return. Right? Papa George. Papa George gave us a 89 to 93. Right? Papa George, man. Papa George gave us a, 51%, man. So Papa George, man. Papa George, yeah. We don't rock a Papa George like that, yeah. Yeah, but if you was in the oil business, yeah. All right, so the two worst. Yeah, Mr. No New Yeah, Mr. No New Taxes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we ain't really gonna rock a Papa George like that. But here's the worst two. The worst two, good old Mr. Watergate. You know what I'm saying? Old Watergate from 69 to 74, minus 20%. Old Watergate. Not doing that, Brown. Old Watergate, minus 24%, man. Watergate was out of here, man. Watergate on bad, man. Old Watergate, man. Watergate was talking too much, man. Watergate was talking too much, man. He had too much to say. He had too much to talk about. He couldn't keep his mouth closed. And then he let old boy just be in his ear telling him anything what to do, man. We ain't rocking with old Watergate, man. Old Watergate, man. Then you had old GW. You know what I'm saying? Old GW. You know what I'm saying? 01 to 09, he gave us minus 40%. 01 to 09, he gave us a minus 40%. So that's 8 out of the 13. Yep, yeah. Papa Bush son, man. You know what I'm saying? Old W, man. Old W. Yeah, W was W went into the office straight on some wall shit. He on some wall stuff. He was on some. I'm fighting for my daddy. I'm gonna say this though. If somebody play on my, well, I can't say it because I ain't rocking my daddy like that. I ain't even know him. But if I knew my daddy and somebody rocking my, I felt like somebody playing on my daddy, I'm out the head first too behind my daddy. Like I don't care what we doing. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, so I guess I ain't mad at him for going at war for his daddy, but George, you sent the whole country down. Golly, George. You tripping, you hear me? I mean, I guess I don't know, man. I mean, if me and my daddy had a relationship and I felt like, man, that dude, he really like played on you, fam. Like, and then my daddy be like, all right, we gonna get you in the office. And I get in, I'm probably spaz out too. I got the whole country. I got the whole country at my disposal. I'm about to rock out. I'm about to rock out. We about to go crazy, you hear me? But, you know, but I wanted to put that out there, man. So over the last 13 years, that was just 8 of them. Oh, yeah, you can't try and pop. You feel me? Over the last 13 presidents, that was 8 of them, man. That was the performance. Democrats are actually dominating with the better returns. Republicans actually give us the worst return.